Welcome back to another exciting and thrill-filled adventure with DIY Nautical Dream. Hello. Can we do 1, 2, 3 running? Running?
Yeah, no
One,
stop,
two-
no jam.
What about run? 1, 2?
Not run, no safety for you.
What about 1, 2, 3? Hold it.
Running,
Who's riding in back?
no stop, no jump, no sit down.
Who's in back?
Hang on here, hold it.
Okay. We want good driver. Otherwise, lots of dragging. Always.
Are you ready?
Every day. Here we go. Get ready.
Running.
That's kind of wild. Okay, I had to slow it down just a little bit. If you take a look at baby's feet right there, she pulls her legs up, and look who has to do all the work from here. We just barely got off the ground. Look, the runner has to give us a little boost, and there we go. But yeah, it looked like we had a low start, and we did. That's kind of wild. That's a 1, 2, 3 real fast. 1, 2, 3. So far, safety.
Running.
We did 1, 2, 3.
You can fly there.
Yep.
You can fly on it.
Oh. We got 1, 2, 3 out of it.
Yep.
As advertised. Yep. Always, every day. Every day. Safety. Always safety.
I was ready to drag it.
Every day. Yep. Safety first. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. eggs.
Your egg?
A little bit.
Right there? Oh,
Yeah, up on the hill. Yeah, I see it right there. Very beautiful. And then jet ski comes out, we land on the jet ski and then go jet ski.
Coming in hot.
Oh yeah.
Take care of the egg.
We need to make sure we need to make sure landing gear is down. Landing gear needs to be down.
Running.
Landing gear right here.
Ready?
Always. After, okay. We need to pick our crash site. The last moments of flight, right here. Oh well. Coming in hot. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Coming in hot. As you can see here, things aren't going exactly as planned. But you know what they say, any landing you can walk away from is a good landing. So let's see how we do here.
Oh, wow.
Now we'll switch to onboard on the parasail in real time from our perspective. Running! We wrecked it. We crashed. Little wreck. Not too bad. Right, main gear was collapsed. Oh man. Woohoo! All right. Thank you guys. YouTube right here. Yep. All right. Thank you. Well, I must say that was pretty wild. Baby and I had such a good time. We laughed the entire time. That was the craziest thing we did. And you can see here, we crashed. They tried their best to keep us from going down, but it happened anyways. All in good fun. We'd do it again in a heartbeat. ¿Cómo está? YouTube. Bye. That was fun. Did you get it? Yep. So you're pretty comfortable there, baby. All right, jet ski next. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed that as much as we did. Baby and I just really wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. That was some of the fun we had while we were in Phuket, Thailand. And we were out on Kata Beach. So if you ever want to go there parasailing, that's a great place to go. Okay, maybe that was a little over the top. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our videos. We really appreciate it.
Did we record it?
Hang on, not yet.